Hey everyone! Welcome back to Pop Off English, the fun podcast where we help you learn real English for real life. If you want to learn English for beginners, and learn English fast while laughing and relaxing, you are in the right place.
Today's episode is a bit emotional. We're talking about breaking up politely. You know, when you want to say, it's not you, it's me, without sounding like a terrible person.
If you've ever wanted to end a relationship or friendship in English, but you don't want to be rude, this episode is for you.
Stay with us until the end. You'll learn useful vocabulary, natural phrases, and how to sound kind, calm, and mature when things are ending.
And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with a friend who might need some polite breakup English.
All right, deep breath. Let's break up. Politely.
So Leo, have you ever used the classic line, "It's not you, it's me"?
Yes. And I'm not proud of it. It sounds like a movie line, but sometimes it's actually true.
Today, we're going to show you how to break up kindly in English with simple phrases. And we'll talk about romantic breakups and also friendship breakups.
Because sometimes you don't just break up with a boyfriend or girlfriend. You also break up with a friend, with a situationship, with someone you're dating, or with the guy who still thinks you're together because you replied "ha-ha" to his text.
Let's start with the feeling first. Many people are scared to break up. They think, I don't want to hurt them, so they disappear. That's called ghosting.
Quick vocabulary. To ghost someone means to suddenly stop responding to a person. No text, no call, nothing. You disappear like a ghost.
Ghosting is easy, but it's not polite. In this episode, we want to be kind humans. So no ghosting. We talk like adults.
So imagine this situation. You are dating someone, they are nice. But you don't feel that spark. No butterflies, no excitement, just meh.
Meh is a fun word for I don't really care or I'm not very excited. Not bad, not good, just meh.
You don't want to be in a relationship with meh energy, so you decide to break up. What can you say?
First, let's give you a simple sentence to start the conversation. I think we need to talk about us.
This is a calm, simple sentence. Not aggressive, not dramatic, but the other person will understand, okay, this is serious.
Now, there are 3 steps for a polite breakup in English. Step 1, say something kind. Step 2, be honest but gentle. Step 3, close the conversation in a respectful way.
Let's go step by step.
Step 1, say something kind. Here are some easy phrases you can use. I really like you as a person. I think you're a great person. I respect you a lot. I've enjoyed spending time with you.
These sentences show that you are not attacking them. You're not saying, you're horrible. You're saying, you are good, but this relationship is not good for me.
For example, I've really enjoyed spending time with you, and I think you're a great person.
Perfect. Now step 2, be honest but gentle. This is the difficult part.
Let's start with the classic, it's not you, it's me.
In English, this phrase can sound a bit like a cliché, but you can still use it if you add more information. For example, it's not you, it's me. I'm not ready for a serious relationship right now.
Or it's not you, it's me. I need to focus on my studies and my work.
Or even, it's not you, it's me. I realized I'm not in the right place emotionally.
Let's give you some other gentle reasons you can use. Simple English, no drama. I don't feel the same way that you do. I don't feel a romantic connection. I think we want different things. I don't think we're the right match. I don't see a future together.
These phrases are honest, but they are not cruel. You're not saying you're boring. You're not saying you're ugly. You're just talking about the situation.
Listen to this example of a full breakup sentence, step 1 and step 2 together. I've really enjoyed spending time with you, and I think you're a great person, but I don't feel a romantic connection, and I don't see a future together.
Ouch. It hurts, but it's clear and respectful.
Here's another one. I respect you a lot, but I think we want different things, and I'm not ready for a serious relationship right now.
Notice something important. We are using I a lot. I think, I feel, I don't see, I'm not ready.
This is called using I statements. It's more polite because you talk about yourself and your feelings, not about the other person's problems.
If you say, you are too much, or you are too emotional, that sounds like an attack. But if you say, I feel overwhelmed, or I'm not ready for this, it sounds softer.
Now, step 3. Close the conversation in a respectful way.
Here are some simple, polite endings. I really wish you the best. I hope you find someone amazing. I'm really grateful for the time we had. I hope we can both move on and be happy.
Some people also add, I hope there are no hard feelings.
No hard feelings means I don't want anger or bad emotions between us.
So let's put all 3 steps together in one long example. Listen carefully to the structure.
Example 1. I've really enjoyed spending time with you, and I think you're a great person, but I don't feel the same way that you do, and I don't see a future together. I really wish you the best, and I hope there are no hard feelings.
Example 2. I respect you a lot, and I appreciate everything you've done for me, but it's not you, it's me. I'm not ready for a serious relationship right now, and I need to focus on myself. I hope you can understand, and I truly hope you find someone who's right for you.
Example 3, short and clear. You're a really good person, but I don't feel a romantic connection. I think it's better if we end things now. I wish you all the best.
These are all polite, simple, and natural. You can adapt them to your situation.
Now let's talk about another type of breakup, the friendship breakup.
Sometimes you grow and your friend doesn't, or your friend is always negative, or you just don't connect anymore. That's normal. But how do you say it politely?
You probably don't want to say, I'm breaking up with you as a friend. That sounds like a TV drama.
Instead, you can use phrases like, I feel like we're growing in different directions. I feel like we're not as close as we used to be. I think we've changed a lot, and our priorities are different now.
You could say, I really appreciate our friendship, but I feel like we're growing in different directions and I need to focus on other parts of my life right now.
Or, I'm really grateful for all the good times we had, but I don't feel we're on the same page anymore.
On the same page means you have the same ideas, goals, or opinions. If you're not on the same page, you're not aligned.
You can also set boundaries without a dramatic speech. For example, I don't think I can hang out as much as before. I need more time for myself and my other projects.
This is another useful phrase. I need more time for myself.
It's simple, polite, and it doesn't attack the other person.
Let's give you 3 useful phrases with I need that you can use when you want some distance. I need some space. I need time to focus on myself. I need to work on my own life right now.
I need some space is very common in English. It means you want distance, less contact, less communication.
Now, what if the other person says, but why? What's wrong with me?
Important moment. This is where many people panic.
You don't need to give a long list of reasons. You don't need to give a PowerPoint presentation of all their problems.
You can stay kind, calm, and clear. For example, there's nothing wrong with you. This is about how I feel and what I need right now. Or, you didn't do anything wrong. I just don't feel the connection I need in a relationship.
You can also say, I'm not asking you to change. I just think we're not the right match.
Not the right match is a very useful expression. It's soft. It doesn't mean you're bad, it just means we don't fit together.
It's like shoes. Maybe the shoes are beautiful, but they're not your size.
Now let's talk about tone. The way you say things is very important. If your words are polite but your tone is cold, it still hurts more.
Try to speak slowly, with a calm, soft voice. Don't shout. Don't roll your eyes. Don't say, "Finally, I'm free," in front of them.
Also, avoid some sentences. Let's look at what not to say in a polite breakup.
Don't say, "You're too much for me." Instead, say, "I feel overwhelmed and I don't think I can give you what you deserve."
Don't say you're boring. Instead, say, I don't feel the connection I need in a relationship.
Don't say, "You're crazy." Instead, say, "I don't think we're a good match emotionally."
Don't say, nobody will date you like I did. Instead, actually, just don't say that to anyone, ever.
Now, what if you are the person who gets dumped? What can you say in English to stay polite and classy?
First, you can say, thank you for being honest with me.
That sounds very mature. You can also say, "I'm sad, but I appreciate your honesty," or "I understand. I wish you the best too."
If you need distance, you can say, I think I need some time and space after this. Or, I don't think we can be friends right now, but I hope you understand.
You don't have to be friends with your ex. That's optional, not a rule.
Let's give a little dialogue example now. It's a short scene between two people breaking up politely. Our characters, Mia and Leo.
In this little story, they're in a cafe, and Mia wants to break up, but she wants to be kind.
Okay, here we go. Leo, I think we need to talk about us.
Okay, what's going on?
First, I just want to say that I really like you as a person, and I've enjoyed spending time with you.
I like you too.
But I've been thinking a lot, and I don't feel the romantic connection I need. It's not you, it's me. I realized I'm not ready for a serious relationship right now.
So, you want to break up?
Yes. I think it's better if we end things now, before someone gets more hurt. I respect you a lot, and I really wish you the best.
I'm sad, but I appreciate your honesty.
I hope there are no hard feelings. You're a great person, and I'm sure you'll find someone who's a better match for you.
Thanks. I think I need some time and space, but I wish you the best too. See, it's emotional, but nobody is screaming, nobody is insulting.
This is the type of English you can use in real life, in texts, in calls, or face-to-face.
Let's give you some useful breakup phrases that you can use, especially in text messages, because many people do breakups by text today.
We don't say it's the best way, but it's reality. So let's make it polite.
Here are some complete short messages. I've been thinking a lot, and I don't think we're the right match. You're a great person, but I don't feel the connection I need. I wish you all the best.
Another one. I really respect you, but I don't see a future together. It's not you, it's me. I need to focus on myself right now. I hope you can understand.
And one more. I appreciate the time we had, but I think it's better if we end things here. I hope there are no hard feelings. I wish you nothing but the best.
Notice we are always polite, clear, and kind. No games. No, maybe later. No, we'll see, when you already know it's over.
That's another important tip. Don't give false hope. If it's over, say it gently but clearly.
For example, don't say maybe in the future or maybe when I'm ready if you know you don't want to be with this person.
Instead, say, I don't think we should continue this relationship, or I don't see us getting back together.
Yes, that's difficult, but it's more honest and kinder in the long term.
Now, let's quickly review some key vocabulary and expressions from this episode.
To ghost someone, to suddenly stop responding, disappear with no explanation. To break up, to end a romantic relationship. To end things, a softer way to say break up.
A connection, a feeling of understanding and attraction, a romantic connection, the feeling you need in love, not just friendship. A match, two people who fit well together.
To be on the same page, to have the same ideas, goals, or understanding. To grow in different directions, to change in different ways, so you no longer fit together. No hard feelings, no anger, no bad emotions.
It's not you. It's me. A classic phrase to say. The problem is with me, not with you. I need some space. I need distance and time alone. I need time to focus on myself. I need time for my life, my goals, my mental health.
And a few polite sentence starters you can use. I really appreciate, I really respect, I've enjoyed, I've been thinking a lot, and
some polite endings. I wish you all the best. I really wish you the best. I hope there are no hard feelings. I hope you find someone amazing.
if you want to practice, you can write your own polite breakup message using these ideas. You can change the details and make it fit your story.
And remember, being kind doesn't mean you must stay in a relationship or friendship that doesn't feel right. You can be kind to others and also to yourself.
Saying no can actually be a kind thing for both people. It gives them the chance to find someone who is a better match.
So today you learned how to break up politely in English, how to say it's not you, it's me in a natural way, and how to protect your heart without breaking someone else's completely.
If you found this episode helpful and you learned some new vocabulary, don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who might need some gentle breakup English.
Turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. We'll keep helping you with real, natural English for real-life situations.
And now we have a question for you. Have you ever heard a funny or strange breakup line in English? Tell us in the comments.
We read your comments, and they help us create new episodes just for you.
Thanks for listening to Pop Off English. Take care of your heart and your English.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye, everyone.